Bid farewell to manual operation, enjoy efficiency and safety, easily complete batch sample preparation. LABTT Intelligent Grinding, Polishing, and Corrosion Integration System. Equipped with dual robotic arms, it can perform tasks such as grinding and polishing, electrolytic polishing, etching, and cleaning. The robotic arm automatically completes the grinding and polishing processes by grasping and sampling, equipped with cleaning and drying equipment for deep cleaning. After the grinding and polishing process is completed, proceed to the etching process. Electrolytic polishing is performed at 2 stations. After completion, the waste liquid is recycled and the acid mist is discharged, reducing the risk of pollution. Secondary ultrasonic cleaning ensures that the sample is clean and free of residue. LABTT Intelligent Grinding, Polishing, and Corrosion Integration System. Fully automated batch processing of samples.
LABTT testing is easy.